Hi, this is Dr. Kat Vanderploeg from FTC Kids. I'm the Director of Physical Therapy here, and I'm here to talk to you about what to do with your standing table and your little one who isn't yet pulling to stand. You can use your standing table as early as a couple months old for tummy time. So let's say you have a little one. Here's my little one. And she does not like tummy time because there's nothing interesting on the floor. You are going to use your boppy pillow, which you've probably already been using. You can use your boppy, you can use a couch cushion, you could use your legs, okay? You're gonna put your baby on the boppy like this, and then slide the standing table frame up to them. So they can see the lights, start to press the buttons, and get some weight bearing through their arms. And eventually, they'll be like this, holding themselves up and reaching. They could reach to the side, they could reach forward. You could get them to try to turn the book. There we go. And hopefully they'll enjoy it. Thank you for joining me today.